Hello everyone and welcome to my channel AMU Knowledge Hub. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel. आज मैं आप लोग को बताऊंगी everything about B.Tech and B.Arch from Aligarh Muslim University. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. Before this, I would like to say you all that stay home, stay safe and stay positive because during this pandemic time, it's very hard to live. First of all, starting with B.Tech, I will talk about the eligibility criteria. If you have completed your 10+2 or an equivalent degree or diploma in engineering with at least 50% marks as PCM and English as a subject, then you are eligible for the test. Application fees is without late is 700 rupees and with late it is 1000 rupees per person. The syllabus for the test is 3 subjects, which is mathematics, physics and chemistry. So start preparing these subjects well. Next, talking about the exam pattern, the language used in the paper is English. The mode is offline, it means written. The duration for the test is 3 hours. And last, the questions are 150 MCQ questions, each from mathematics, physics and chemistry, 50-50 each. The marking scheme is like correct answer you will get +1 marks. For incorrect answer you will get a minus marking of 0.25 marks. And for unattempted question you will get 0 marks. Talking about the test cities, we have Aligarh. Next is Kozhikode, Kerala, then Kolkata, Lucknow, Srinagar and Patna. This is all about B.Tech. Next, talking about B.Arch, starting from the eligibility. The eligibility for B.Arch entrance is same as in B.Tech and the application fees for the entrance is only ₹100 more than B.Tech fees. The exam pattern is little much different. There are 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, the paper is as same as B.Tech. It's a common paper. In paper 2, the architecture aptitude test, जिसमें कि descriptive questions और test of drawing पूछे जाते हैं and you have to bring your own stationery for that. The mode is offline and the duration for the test is also 3 hours for paper 2 and paper 1 both. The language used is English and the test city for this is only in Aligarh. Aligarh is the only test city. One thing you need to remember is for selection you have to score 40% marks in the paper 2. So study well, start preparing yourself, stay home, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like my video. Thank you for watching.